So over here, you can see that I have this page right here, and this is the Strikingly editor. If I were to go around over here and click on any of this spot, you can see that I get editing option for it. For example, I got the text, I got the image section right here. As I click on it, you can see that this is a product section, which allows me to go ahead and add in products. You can go around over here and let's say, for example, go for layout and so forth. So you can see that within the page itself, I have an option to go ahead and add in different contents right here. So apart from that, over here on to the left hand side, you can actually see the section editor. So you got home, you got the second section. You can go ahead and add in another section and choose a section as you like right here. Click on it to go ahead and add in a section around over here. Apart from that, you can see that this is the section that you have right here. You can click and drag to change the order of the section as well, and even go ahead and add in another page as you like as well. You can go ahead and add in, let's say, for example, more pages as you like right here as well. You can work around with the style right here. You can work around with the store orders and also access out audience details right here and so forth, and access out various settings right here for the website that you make as well. So this is basically the Strikingly editor right here that you can go ahead and use in order to go ahead and edit out the site as you wish. And as we move along in the course, we're going to go ahead and see how we can actually work around with different elements and then change out the look of the site as we need. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.